Brokers. This is the question I get the most every single day. I literally can't count the number of times I get this question. I understand, because brokers is literally the foundation of any trader, right? Your trades are not going to happen unless you have a good broker to use with good spreads and everything along the line. So today, I'm literally going to break down and let you guys know everything to do with the broker that I chose. And little spoiler, this broker is also regulated. I decided to go the regulated route, because yes, I know everyone goes for the unregulated, but personally, if I'm going to be putting my hard-earned money into something, hey, I need to make sure it's going to be there guaranteed, even if something goes wrong. So in this video, we're going to break down the good, the bad, and the ugly of the broker that I do use and let you guys know everything about it. And if you want to use it, then you can as well. I will leave a link below in the description for you to check it out so you can make your own decision. Try it out, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing to get into is that brokers, you have regulated and you have unregulated brokers. Regulated brokers are the ones where there is some kind of body that's regulating this broker, meaning that they can't do all kind of shady stuff, tweak stuff because they want to, or tweak the spreads and just all sorts. They can't not do that because they will get in trouble. And this is what unregulated brokers do. They are able to do certain things for certain maybe creators and just tweak, like you don't even know. They have control of everything basically. And the key thing about regulated brokers is your money is safe. If something was to go south, you're pretty much backed up and you can get your money back. But unregulated brokers, if it goes bust, that's it, it's GG's. So for me, I mostly trade prop firms, as you guys know, but I also grow my personal account as well. This one I don't really speak on too much, but it took me a while to find a personal broker. Trust me, I've been looking for literally over a year to find the perfect one, and I finally got one. So the broker that we're going to be speaking about today is called Fusion Market. This is a broker very dear to my heart because of how hard it was to find a broker. I don't think you guys understand in terms of trading. It was just so tough because most of them are not regulated, so it was tricky to find one with good spreads because I am a scalper, so spreads needed to be good, commissions needed to be good. I need to make sure everything was just very easy and seamless, and that was what I was able to find. But first thing first is onboarding, right? How do you actually get onto the broker in the first place? How do you sign up? How is the process like? For me, this was very smooth. Like, I'll tell you guys now, the main thing here is that literally when you go on the website, you're able to just sign up and start using them within minutes. With most brokers, you kind of need to do a verification. They might need your passport or your driver license to verify you and all that stuff, which isn't bad. But with this, you're able to pretty much start trading on demo in the matter of minutes because they don't really need all that for demo, right? It's a demo account. You don't need someone's identity to trade demo. So literally within minutes, I was able to start trading with this broker, which was very smooth. So you guys can literally get started today, so you get an idea of how the spreads are like, how the transactions are like, just how it is to actually use the broker itself. So when it comes to that was pretty smooth. So in other words, there's no barrier to get started. And now let's talk commissions and prices, because this is what separates different brokers. And we know that the general commissions is usually high-ish, and that's what deters us away from most brokers. But the thing to note about Fusion Market is that it is low cost in terms of commissions. So their commissions are around $2.25, and on top of that, they actually do this thing where if you were to sign up with them, you can now recommend the broker to other people, and when people actually sign up with them, they reduce your commissions slightly, just slightly. And this applies to most countries but not all, so I recommend you probably check this out before you actually start using it. But the fact that they can at least reduce your commission slightly, even if it's for a couple months or whatever it is fantastic, simply because commissions is the main thing that chops your money. You want to enter a trade and know that you make this profit and keep your profit. So you want to make sure that your spread is as good as it is and your commission is the best it can be, because those are the two things that would usually make you lose money when you shouldn't. You don't want to enter a trade, you make $100, but then at the end of it, you're only left with 50. That's just poor. That would be very frustrating, because when you do lose, it also means that when you lose $100, instead of losing 100, you might end up losing 120 or something like that. So you're losing way more than you're getting every single trade. We don't want that. So personally, this is not an issue that I've been having. This has been extremely, I guess, good, manageable. I accept how it is because of course they need to make money, we do as well. So right now it's literally a smooth, perfect balance for me. Now, in addition to this, in terms of deposits was very straightforward. You can withdraw with pretty much multiple methods in any way you want. There's also no minimum deposit as well, so you can get started today. I remember back when I first started trading, there was like a few where they had like a 500 minimum deposit, sometimes 100, 200, and I do understand that some people that do watch this channel, they might not be from like the UK or US. Some people, you don't just have $100 laying around to just put in a broker. So some people want to trade with less, so you're fully free to do so. Any amount that you want, deposit that and trade with that, even if it's $20 or so. Feel free, like come on. We should all have the freedom to, and that's something that they do understand. So it literally works for anyone. That's what I love so far. But that now gets me onto customer service, the one that most people don't talk about, but probably the most important thing. Support is pretty much open 24/7. Support has been fantastic. I'll be real, they are extremely friendly. That's the one thing that caught my attention. I'm not even kidding. I've spoken to some other support. It just feels like I should feel bad for reaching out for support. That's how I felt with some of them. But Fusion Market is extremely friendly. Look, it looks like I'm literally gassing them. I'm being serious. I'm being totally honest. You guys know, whenever I do any review on this channel, I always use the platform long enough. I make sure I have a full experience with them before I review any broker or platform, wherever it is. So this is another of that situation. I always tell you guys the truth. They were just super nice. You know, up till now, it's been literally 5 months plus. It's been quite a while that I've been using them now, and it's just been, I have no issues at all. So I know that I said I was gonna, you know, touch on the good, the bad, the ugly. Honestly, this has just been good so far. Bad, I mean, there isn't much, even in terms of leverage on like demo, for example, because I know a lot of people want accounts with like 500 leverage and all sorts. So on demo, feel free, you know, be experimental or whatever you want to do. On live account, I've not actually tried to, because I don't really tweak that too much. I've actually tried to, but you probably have the option to as well. So there isn't really much negative to say. Another thing that's just so good is it's regulated. I keep putting emphasis on this. I'm telling you, it's so hard to find a good regulated broker in this niche, but it's it's regulated, so everything ticks the boxes, and I just feel confident every time I deposit money into my broker, knowing that it's gonna be there even if I'm not trading for a while, right? That's like the main fear when you trade on regulated brokers, and they usually do all these bonus incentives where they give you extra money and all sorts, and you just feel like this is money we're talking about, right? There's no way, it sounds too good to be true. But they are very just honest, legit. There's nothing sketchy, there's nothing out of the ordinary. Like the most they will offer you, because it seems everyone wants some kind of additional thing, the most they'll offer you is probably like that reduced commissions for a few months up to a certain amount. That's something that makes sense, and this applies to only certain countries, you know, depending on where you're from. So that works as well. So look, overall, honestly, this is gonna be a broker I'll be using for a while. If anything changes, I will let you guys know. I literally have nothing to complain about, so I recommend that you guys do check them out. Again, it's completely free, right? You can just sign up. The link will be below in the description. Do check them out. Let me know your experience as well. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know how your experience goes with them, and if you do want to stick around, then stick around. I'll be using them, so you guys join me as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found any value, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.